Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to download and install the Walmart app on your iPhone. We will also put a link for Walmart deals which gives up to 50% off in the description below. To start, open the App Store. Once the app is open, tap on the search icon. Next, search for Walmart. Here, you will see a download option. Tap on the download option. Once it's downloaded, tap on Open. Now you could sign up or just continue as a guest, and start shopping. That's how you download and install the Walmart app on your iPhone. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.